Hi friends, today's our topic is various classical dance of India. Let's dip into the dive. First question, India's famous classical dance Bharatnatyam represents which state identity? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Odisha. Correct answer is option A. Tamil Nadu. Next question. Sri Birju Maharaj is famous for which dance? A. Bharatnatyam, B. Manipuri, C. Dandiya Ras, D. Kathak. Correct answer is option D. Kathak. Next question. India's famous classical dance Kuchipudi represents which state's identity? A. Assam, B. Kerala, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option C. Andhra Pradesh. Next question. India's famous classical dance Satriya related to which state of India? A. Assam, B. Bihar, C. West Bengal, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option A. Assam. Next question. Sri Guru Bipin Singh is famous for which folk dance? A. Odissi, B. Manipuri, C. Kuchipudi, D. Kathak. Correct answer is option B. Manipuri. Next question. K. Kalyani Kutti Amma is famous for which folk dance? A. Ghumar, B. Manipuri, C. Mohiniyattam, D. Lavani. Correct answer is option C. Mohiniyattam. Next question. India's famous classical dance Kathak represents which state's identity? A. Maharashtra, B. Telangana, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option D. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. India's famous classical dance Kathakali represents which state's identity? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Telangana, C. Kerala, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option C. Kerala. Next question. Kelucharan Mohapatra is famous for which folk dance? A. Odissi, B. Satriya, C. Bharatnatyam, D. Lavani. Correct answer is option A. Odissi. Next question. Mrinalini Sarabhai is famous for which folk dance? A. Odissi, B. Dandiya, C. Bharatnatyam, D. Ghumar. Correct answer is option C. Bharatnatyam. Next question. India's famous classical dance Manipuri represents which state's identity? A. Sikkim, B. Manipur, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Bihar. Correct answer is option B. Manipur. Next question. India's famous classical dance Mohiniyattam is related to which state of India? A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Telangana, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option B. Kerala. Next question. India's famous classical dance Odissi represents which state's identity? A. Odisha, B. Karnataka, C. Maharashtra, D. West Bengal. Correct answer is option A, Odisha. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.